Durack Civil has been engaged by the Anglican Church Grammar School to deliver urgent bank stabilisation works along the Norman Creek. This project is essential to address instability along the bank, ensuring the safety of nearby school buildings and protecting critical infrastructure from future subsidence. At Site 1, we are excavating a bank failure that has occurred behind the school's pool facilities. To stabilise the bank in this location, we will be installing 2 rows of gabion baskets to 50 metres in length. The gabion baskets are founded on a rock mattress with combigrid base as well. The Brisbane River tidal effects means that works on the gabion basket sites must be scheduled and planned to work during the moving low tide windows. During the school's holiday break, we'll also complete works on sites 2 and 3, installing 200 timber piles to a depth of 5 metres. These piles are critical to prevent future deterioration and slippage along the bank. The Bligh Tanner design intent is to place the timber piles within the mangrove roots without causing any damage to the vegetation. The timber piles will work together with the mangrove roots to anchor the bank and protect it from any further tidal impact. We're proud to be supporting Churchie with this important stabilisation project, ensuring both safety and resilience for the school's future.